So for today's market movers, Liz, I got a blast from the past.
What do you got?
The- I got in honor of PDT being lifted. Let's bring back the Ja Jun.
The Ja Jun, are you feeling okay? Lily, come take her temperature. I love the Ja Jun. You shut us down years ago.
But you know what? In honor of the PDT, let's bring back the Ja Jun.
Okay, the Ja Jun, we love him. Ja Jun was a researcher. He's still, I mean, he's still alive, but he's a former researcher. He's somewhere else. We love him very, very much. He still watches the show. And he had produced a piece of research a while ago that says there is more 5-minute up bars than there are 5-minute down bars within this hour of trading.
Yeah, or like after 10 a.m. or between at a certain time period. So we started doing this trade where we would just buy a wrapped around at the money call spread for 250. So
in SPX. So then Jenny and I took that piece of research and made it our own, right?
but as far as the PDT rule being lifted, anyone could do this. It doesn't matter what size account. This is similar to what JD just did this morning, and I can't remember if he did it in Broadcom or
he did it in ABGO. It is absolutely the same concept, but because of that study, Jenny and I went to SPX only because we were in the SPX crowd at the time, right? So we're in the SPX crowd at the time. What you do if you think there's going to be a 5-minute up bar is you are going to wrap it around the at the monies.
And the study was on SPY. It wasn't like, here's an individual equity study. The study was on SPY. Like there are more 5-minute up bars in SPY after 10 a.m. than down bars. So we just wanted, we just wanted honestly, just a quick
$50.
And I don't even care if you move it up a strike. I usually like to pay like $250 for it.
So it really doesn't matter because whatever you do, you're going to take it. If we pay $245 for it, we're going to sell it for $3.
All we need is 5 ticks up, and if we pay for $250, we can get out for $290.
Yeah. So this is, to be honest with you, if they did it in SPY, do you want to do it in SPY? Because we can. I still like this better because we can, if you don't get out of it, you can leave it.
Right. If you don't get out of it, you can leave it. Spruce have had a rally. Again, I took off. I did my Jade Lizard this morning. I took it off because from where I put it on at 840 to 920, we're almost going through the calls.
I know.
Now throw in a quick even $40, even quick 290.
So we paid 75.70. I'm sorry, we bought the 75.70, sold 175.75. Let's take a look at this on the analysis page because we don't have anything in there right now. This is what it looks like on the analysis page. Now we're going to
wait a second. Did you put it in backwards?
Did I put it in backwards?
Because that's not what it should look like on the analysis page.
It is not what it should look like on the analysis page.
Yeah, you sold a call spread.
That's what we can do.
Hey, here's a lesson on fat finger ears. She meant to buy the call spread. She accidentally sold the call spread. We're going to close $10. Done. No. Oh yeah. No, you just locked in a $10 loss.
No, I just locked in a $5 winner. Hold on, I'll show you.
No, because you sold it and you just bought it back. You sold it for $240 and just bought it back for $250.
Oh,
same price.
Yeah. So even Steven. Okay. So now I was like, why is it so cheap? Because I only paid $250.
That's why when it went through, I was like, geez, we got filled at a good price.
That's what I thought too. I was like, the market makers are on it. But once again, PDT, I'm actually glad this happened. Pattern day trading rule. If you had under $25,000, you'd have to be like, I can't
What am I going to do with this? I can't close it. Now it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
I think you were talking about if now fat finger errors can be closed. I think you had it in your mind and you were channeling a fat finger error. And
I must have. This is our market movers that you can close a fat fingered error. Okay, now you are going to be, I did put it in wrong. Buying the 75.70 and selling the 75.75. That is a long. Now, Jenny wanted to spend less for it. I brought it up.
Well, I mean, SPOOs are up 13 now. They were up 10. Whatever. It doesn't matter. But if you buy one and we get a little rally, 5-6 point rally, you can buy it for $250 and sell it for $290.
We'll put that order in. That's why we got filled so fast because I was doing the opposite. So we're paying $220 for the 75.70, 75.75. You know what's crazy though is I'm so used to selling premium. Even I'm selling a put spread, or I'm selling this, or I'm selling something, that it was bizarre to buy a debit spread, to pay a debit for something. I haven't done that.
We haven't done the Ja Jun in a while.
We haven't done the Ja Jun in a while.
So again, if spoos keep running up, we're not going to get filled on this. But if we were to get filled, then we'd quick put an order to close it for take $40 out of it or $50 out of it. That's the Ja Jun.
That's the
Ja Jun, I hope you're out there listening.
No. To complete the Ja Jun, once you get a fill, you have to go Ja
Jun. Ja Jun. Again, one of our favorite researchers. We miss him dearly. And again, he's still alive. He's just working somewhere else.
I know we do miss him. That was a quick market movers, but I do think that's good that you can see the fat fingered error.